We just got back row night ride on X2. Good morning, you guys. We are back for day 2 at Six Flags Magic Mountain. It is almost 11 o'clock. I got here a little later than usual. Normally I'm here like before the gates are even open. So we got a full day in the park. I'm honestly not too sure where I even want to start because I've got so much time. I might head straight back to West Coast Races and then work my way to the rest of the park. I really want to get it right on X2 though, like always. All right, yeah, you guys, the line just a bit too long for me. I think I got here a little too late to get a quick ride on X2, so I'm just gonna leave it and go to the back of the park and hit up those rides, and then hopefully we can come back and maybe the line won't be as long later today. Well, we ended up at Viper. This is gonna be our first ride of the day, I think. I think we can hop on this super quick, and then we'll go to West Coast Racers and ride around in the back there. Oh yeah, this is much more like it. Looking a lot better here. We're in the last car, not the back row, but second to last back row. Oh, I never realized how close the loop was to the chain lift. That's crazy. Been a little while since I've been on Viper. We didn't get to ride it the last time I was here. Here we go. Woo! Run. Hi X2. Woo! Hi you guys. There we go. Head banging moment. Okay, actually not bad. Yeah. Oh yeah, that was so good. Heck yeah, that was a smooth ride. Good first ride of the day. Let's go. Sweet. Viper was actually pretty smooth and we got right on it. So we're heading to West Coast Racers now. Feel a little silly getting here so late and missing out on X2, but that's okay. We'll revisit it later today. Oh, also one other thing. My hotel is north of the park. Usually I'm coming into the park from the south, so I never get to see it when I'm like driving up. So getting to see the whole entire park from the other side over there on the north was really cool. Such a good view of the park. And yeah, it was honestly a little distracting because I just wanted to look at all the roller coasters instead of driving. Open. The underground. West Coast Racers. And Apocalypse. Also excited to ride Apocalypse. Sick. Pretty short wait in here. Here we go! Hi! That was nice.
Okay, welcome back.
After this one. You're going down! Woo! Bye! Woo! Oh, we're neck and neck! Oh, man! West Coast Racers, always such a good ride, so much fun. Now we're off to the bathroom and then Apocalypse. Hey yo, bathroom edit. Whoa. Shout out to this water bottle station right next to Apocalypse. This is where I always fill up my Camelback or hydration pack. Backseat of Apocalypse going down now. These chairs are so comfy, I freaking love them. What's up, man? Yo. Yo. Have a good one. Those guys said hi to me as I was getting off of the train, so I like quickly tried to throw them in the vlog. Sorry I didn't get your names, you guys. You're super cool though, and thanks for saying hey. Yo, jet streams will walk on. Let's go get wet. It's like 50 degrees out. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that because I've never ridden it before. We're going on Gold Rusher. I actually really wanted to ride this one last time we were here, but I didn't get to, so I'm excited to be riding it today for my first time. Hey yo, walk on. Let's do it. Perfect. First ever ride on Gold Rusher. Let's go. No, I barely fit in this. Like, I think if Jim was here, it wouldn't clear his knees. Like, I'll just scoot forward to get the bar over my legs. Woo! Whoa! Oh, the head chopper. Woo! All right. Yeah, that was pretty good. Woo! Pretty smooth, honestly. A lot smoother than what I was expecting. Oh, we got another drop. Woo! Oh, never mind. Woo! Woo! I like the views. Woo! Gold Rush! Good little ride. It's nice. Okay, you guys, Superman is up next, and actually, I made some friends. I'm gonna be riding with these guys. Hey. So, it's Jason. Fuck, I missed your name. Tyler. Yeah. And Barrett. Okay, awesome, cool. You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready. He's never done it.
Yeah, this is Jason's first time. It's a big deal. No, I'm cool, I'm cool. You got it, man. Let's do it. That's awesome. Okay, you guys, we're finally doing it. We're gonna do DC Hall of Justice. It's my first time ever doing one of these Hall of Justice. I know they're at like a bunch of other Six Flags parks, but I've never made it on one of these before. Cyborg! T-Titans! You guys ready to shoot stuff and get points? Whoa! Oh, we gotta shoot! Kill Joker and Harley Quinn! Kill Superman! Wow, we're spinning now! Whoa! Okay, that was kind of cool. Whoa! Whoa! We're really out of control here! Oh, I'm shooting Cyborg! Sorry, Cyborg! Ow, my left finger hurts. Yeah.
Will now face the full force of my plasma blast.
No! Whoa! Woo! Oh no, the bots are in real life now. Oh, they're gonna get us. Whoa!
Blast those flex bots.
I got this.
Don't let them.
Yeah. Whoa! Wow, what the hell? Okay, that was crazy. Okay, I was not expecting that. Honestly, that was really interesting. Whoa!
For saving the city of Metropolis.
Whoa! She's missing us. Wow, that was way more than I expected. Yeah.
Take the glasses off for a second.
Yeah, when we first entered the like simulation or whatever. That was really fun though.
That was actually pretty fun.
Yeah, I really like that. And it was warm. It's nice and warm in there. It's cold out here. I just ran into two of you guys out here, and you guys were awesome. You were so much fun to meet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I hope you have a great rest of your day today. We are now heading up to Ninja. I'm gonna go ride that, and then honestly, I don't really know what else I'm gonna do after that. I might go grab some lunch. You guys, next ride is gonna be the Ninja, and it's gonna be in the rain. It started raining.
1 hour later.
They just waited an hour for Ninja, which is already not worth it, and they just closed it due to weather. It was raining earlier and they were running it. I don't know what changed. It looks fine outside. Woo! We got on. Shortly after they closed it down, they literally just ran one train and then reopened it. And then some guys in front of me let me go in front of them so I could get on. So here we go. Front car. First time in the front car. I've only ridden in the back again on this ride. Here we go. Glad I was able to get on that one. I waited an hour to go on it. Was it worth it? No, not at all. Am I glad I did it? Yeah, I'm still glad I did it because it's a fun ride. I like suspending swinging coasters. It's just like, I don't know, just the swinging aspect is so much fun. I think it's really cool. So I'm still glad I did it. Not worth it though. Taking a quick break to eat some food. I got a pulled pork sandwich and some mashed potatoes, which it's actually pretty good. I was surprised. Took forever to get it though, again. The operations here are just not very good. All right, one of you guys requested that I go on Crazanity. That's the next ride. Here we go. Down again. Woo! Woo! Oh my God! Whoa! Oh my God, we're upside down. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was so cold. It's really cold here today. It's been like 40s to 50s and the wind on that was freezing. I was literally shivering when we got off of it. I really want to find some hot chocolate somewhere, so that might be the next move, or we might go on like Twisted Colossus or Goliath. Well, you know what, we're just gonna leave it as a mystery. I snagged a hot chocolate and I'm going over to Twisted Colossus. Gonna hit Twisted Colossus, Goliath, full throttle, and then we'll see if we can get to X2. Hopefully we can. That would be an awesome way to end the day. What the heck's up with Drop of Doom? Drop of Doom needs to reopen. It's been closed for so long as well, and that makes me a sad person. Oh my gosh, yes! Adriana's insurance! Go Adriana! We love you! Oh, hey, we're recording. How's it going, guys? I did not realize I clicked record. Pre-lift puppies. Pre-lift puppy time. Woo! 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 Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Oh! Oh! Wow! Oh! Goliath looks so good right now! sick. We got a duel. Hey, there goes Goliath. Man, Twisted Colossus, again, woke me up quite a bit. I was feeling tired and out of it. It's also been a really cold day today, so that's been playing into it. But now I feel rejuvenated, which is great. So that gives me energy to head over to Full Throttle, because I haven't gotten to ride Full Throttle this weekend yet. And I want to get a ride on that in, and then I'm gonna try to ride X2 after that. Ah, man. That's a little bit too long of a line for me. Sorry guys, I'll hit it tomorrow morning. I think I'm gonna go straight to X2 then. Okay, I just noticed something on this wall. This one little mark of destruction. It looks a little different than the rest. Are you guys picking up on what I'm seeing here in this in this mark of destruction on the wall? It's a wiener. It looks totally like a wiener. Okay, we're doing it. X2 night ride to close out the day. All right. Yeah, it's not too bad looking over here.
2 hours later.
Oh, we are slowly making our way up there. I'm so freaking tired, you guys. I'm exhausted. Hey everyone, this is Zach. Hey. We just got back row night ride on X2. Hey. Let's go. No, it's not. This is gonna be so dark. Here we go. So sick! Woo! That night ride was awesome. Oh yeah! Oh my god, my hand is shaking. Shaking because of adrenaline and it's cold. Woo! Okay, wow, such a good night ride. That was freaking sick. When the flash lit up for like the picture or the on-ride photo lit up, it was so bright. It was just like the whole coaster was flooded with light when that happened. All right, everyone, and this is Zach.
Hello.
Thanks for riding with me, dude.
No problem, man.
We're heading out now. What an amazing day in the park it was today. It was chilly and rainy, but outside of that, we still had a really awesome time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see some more content from me. Watch one of these other videos next, and I'll see you there. Bye.